It's important to keep a tidy home and workplace. At Technoquest, we use vacuum cleaners. They're wonderful at picking up stuff. Unfortunately, sometimes you come across stuff that your vacuum cleaner just can't handle. Vacuum cleaners work by creating an empty space. There's a fan inside here pushing out the air. So there's literally nothing inside it, a vacuum. Air from outside is then pushed into the nozzle to fill that space. The problem is, the nozzle of my vacuum just isn't big enough. Not enough air can push against the bowling ball to get it up inside the nozzle. This is why you've got different attachments. There's the brush, the bit for getting into the corners, and of course at home we all have the funnel. The funnel massively increases the surface area, so a lot more air can get pushed into my vacuum. Anything you do pick up with your vacuum cleaner, or any rubbish at all, please do dispose of responsibly. You can recreate this demonstration at home on a smaller scale by doing the vacuuming.